works. What's up guys, we're back, but in today's video we have a problem. We have a problem with the horn. I think I blew a fuse from the horn because the horn is not working. In the previous video I changed the horn to an aftermarket horn because I didn't like the sound. So in today's video we're gonna see which fuse do we need to replace, or maybe it's the connection. Maybe the connection is disconnected, so we're gonna see today. We're gonna find out in this video. Let's do it. Also, in today's video we're gonna announce the giveaway, and more information at the end of the video. Okay, so let's see what it is, but let me show you that it's not working. Okay, you can see, let's turn it on, and see the horn. It's not working, and the car is on. And also I replaced this one. I don't think it's with this one because I did the connection right. So let's see which fuse. Wow, man, these problems. For the Supra we have two fuse boxes. We have one here. Okay, it's hard to see it here. One under here, under this cover, and we have another one here, right there. Okay, so and also I am prepared. I already bought this one with all the different fuses. If you need a fuse box like this, I mean a fuses set, this one comes in all different sizes, just in case. I'm gonna put the link for this fuse set or fuse kit on the link of the description down below if you wanna get this. Okay, after searching for the fuse and on the computer and online, I found some possible fuses because there's no clear answer which fuse is for the horn, but I found that it could be this one, the F1, F57 or F210, any of those. So I'm gonna test those, and somebody said it might be also the F75, but first we're gonna start with the F1. That one is in the cabin on the passenger side on the bottom, so let's start with that one. Okay, this one, I don't know if it's gonna be hard. The fuse is on the bottom under the carpet. So we have to remove first this cover. Let me turn off this one. So first we're gonna open these clips over here. One, and there's another one here. I think it's already open. A lot of things in here. Let me see. Okay, the fuse is under this carpet. Okay, I already removed this one. It was hard. It's only 3 clips. 1, 2, 3. It's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 in here. So we got it. Let's put this on the side. I use a trim tool to remove it. I'm gonna put the link for everything for the fuses. Okay, I see the fuse. The fuse is, you can see it is behind this plastic. You can see it. Okay, before removing this white plastic cover, slide this one down, this cable and this plug, because I don't want to rip any cables. Okay, the cover is off. It's like this, so it has only 2 clips on the side here, and after you remove the clips you can pull to the side to slide it like this. Sure. Oh. Okay, make sure you don't break it. So now we have access right there. So the first one is 5 amps, I think, and that's the one we're gonna replace. So you can see it, the first one. Okay, first test. Let's see if it's the right one. Man, first test failed, so it's not the F1. Alright, the next step is to check F75 and F75 or F57. Let's test those two. Okay, I replaced both, but both of them looked fine, so I don't think those are the one. No. Okay, the last one to check is the 210, F210. That one is on the trunk. Let's test that one out. Okay, I already replaced all those fuses and no luck. Still not working, so I don't want to make the video too long. That's why I didn't put it on the video. But the last thing to do is have to remove the front bumper and check the connection. Maybe the plug that I installed is unhooked or moved. Maybe that's why it's not working. So I didn't want to remove the bumper, but I have to do it. I have to remove the bumper, the front bumper. Okay, the plug, it looks that is disconnected, so that should be the problem. Okay, let's continue. Let me put it back and let's see if it works. Alright, so I think I found the problem is the cable, because I'm testing my old horn. This one I had it from my Corolla, so let me show you. So as you can see, the horn works, so there's no fuse, no blown fuse, so it is the cable. But the problem, I have my underglow and it doesn't let me remove the bumper. So I have to figure out something to fix the cables for my horn. Okay, so the problem was the cable, the positive cable. I think it melted or something, because I added a new cable there and I connected to the positive connection, and look at this, look at that, it works. So the cable, so I think we have to make sure that it's not touching any of the metal, because if it melts, it's not gonna work anymore. I don't want to do this again. So it has these plastics to hold the cable, so I have to hold the cable here and over there. Make sure that it's not touching the metal, that way it doesn't melt and I don't have to do this again. So let me put everything back together, and that's it. I think this is fixed. Okay guys, finally I fixed the problem from the horn. It was the wires. So for some reason I think one of the wires melted because it was touching the metal. So wasn't none of the fuses. So if you have this, first connect the old horn and see if it works. If the old horn it works, it means that is the wires. But if the old horn, if you connect it back to the connection plug and if it doesn't work, it should be a fuse. Okay, thank you for watching. Let me know if this was helpful for you. If it was, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching and supporting the channel. God bless you, and see you on the next video. Okay guys, so this is the next giveaway. Okay, we're gonna give away this camera. I'm gonna put the video of the camera over here. Okay, so the rules are very simple. The rules are you have to put a comment in this video, you have to like this video, okay, and also share this video, and you have to be a subscriber, and this is only for the USA. Sorry for the international subscribers, but this is only for the USA subscribers. Okay, good luck guys. Remember to put a comment, like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so on the next video we're gonna announce the winner for the giveaway. Good luck guys, and see you on the next video. God bless you.